What's up, guys? It is Friday. If y'all remember, I killed it on Monday on GBR. So now I'm sitting here with BBOX. I'm done for the day. It is actually just turning 10 o'clock, 9:59. It turns it in like 2 seconds. There we go. Now it's 10 o'clock. But either way, guys, it doesn't really matter. We just took one really small trade today. Correction, we took two really small trades today. Not much size. Well, I guess maybe for some of you it is 1,000 shares in each trade. I didn't want to risk it today. It's Friday. The markets are up quite a bit, but I got a lot of things going on today, sadly. Even though it's Friday, should be the easy day, but it's not how my world works, sadly. But with that being said, we are going to get straight into this and explain what my two trades were today. So, today's trades, I had a pre-market trade and then I've had a market trade. So, pre-market trade, this was up early. It bounced twice, and so that's why I got in right in here at the break of this candle. So I got in at about $1.53, $1.54. I call it $1.55 just for safety. And then I rode this up into here because I wanted to test this high. And I ended up selling it. I didn't sell it at the very tip top. I ended up selling it at about 170 because that's where I could get filled at for 1,000 shares without getting multiple orders thrown in and taking a lot of fees. So that was a nice little trade. Got me up this morning. And then this thing fell all the way. And then we got down here, and I didn't know if it was going to break all the way through and break down, or if it was going to pop up and test the resistance. As you guys see, I had these resistance lines from the past. This is one, and then this is the main one up here. As you can see, it barely broke this one. It's got this wick, not a whole lot of shares. It came down, and then I got short in here, as close to this mark as I could, that $1.80 mark. I think I got filled at $1.77. Again, I put those orders in at 77 because I like the number 7. That's just a me thing. You don't see a lot of people do that. And then I actually covered it at like $1.65. And that was just kind of my average. I didn't take a huge chunk here, just took a couple, I took like 15, 20 cents each trade and got out of it. This one, good luck finding shorts on now. I was having trouble. I even had to have a hard to borrow rate on it. Thankfully, I did make quite a bit, or made a good little chunk on it, but not a whole lot. A couple $100 in each trade. Just good for a Friday when I don't have a whole lot of time to trade. I'm done at 10 a.m. Now I gotta go do other things, sadly, not even that pertain to business. But guys, I've been answering all of your emails. Again, if you want to email me, wes_cox@ymail.com. I will get back to you ASAP, as soon as possible. No guarantee that I'll be right then and there. I don't always have my computer. I do get the emails uploaded to my phone, but it's so hard to message back formally. If you do want one, say no formal in the subject, and usually I'll click on it and then I'll just type you back whatever. I do have people do that, especially some of my students. And most of them have my number. Guys, you guys got to realize when I teach, not only do I give you my courses, which there's 2 out now, but I also give you my phone number. You have my email, so you can get a hold of me very, very easily. I do give myself 12 hours to respond. Normally, it's not 12 hours. Normally, it's like 5-10 minutes, depending on what I'm doing. But you guys got to realize I do have a life still other than doing all of this. Even though it doesn't seem like much of one anymore, but I do have one. But with that being said, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in next week's video.